Guys, my name is Gabriel, and I'm going to talk about RF moment about mean, or about the center of random variables. Yesterday in the last video, I talked about the RF moment about 0. So I explained about the properties and how we can obtain variance using the RF moment about 0. That is the first moment about 0 and the second moment about 0. In this video, I'm actually going to talk about the RF moment about mean, or about the center of the random variable. So it is actually denoted by mu r, which is the expected value of x r, and is given as the following. So RF moment about 0 is actually represented by mu prime r, but for the mean, RF moment about the mean, it is only mu r. So mu r is equal to expectation of x minus mu raised to the power r, which is equal to, so we're going to look at two parts, discrete random variables and continuous random variables. So on discrete random variables, we have summation of x minus mu raised to the power r f of x, and on the continuous random variables, we have summation integral of x minus mu raised to the power r f of x dx. Now let us look at the properties of RF moment about mean. So we are again going to look at three properties: the zeroth central moment about mean, the first moment and the second moment. So the zeroth central moment of x is actually equal to 1. So if we have mu 0, so it means r is equal to 0. So we have expectation of x minus mu raised to the power 0. So in the last video I said that any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So here we're going to have expectation of 1, so which is a constant. So it will be equal to the same value, that is 1. And on number 2, the first moment about the mean of x is actually equal to the following. So we have mu 1, so it means our r is equal to 1. So it will be expectation of x minus mu, which is equal to expectation of x minus mu. This mu is actually the mean, so which will be equal to expectation of x. So we have expectation of x and expectation of x. So expectation of x minus expectation of x will give us 0. So the first moment about mean is equal to 0. And here the zeroth central moment of x is equal to 1. So the 0 moment about mean is equal to 1. Now let us look at this last property. So of course there are many properties. We have the third moment and the fourth moment. So but in this video we are actually going to look at only three: the zeroth, and the first, and the second moment. So the second moment about mean of x is actually equal to the following. So we have mu 2, so it means r is equal to 2. So we have expectation of x minus mu raised to the power 2. So we can actually expand this one, x minus mu raised to the power 2, expanding it, so writing these two factors, x minus mu, x minus mu. So you multiply x times x, you have x squared. X times negative mu, you have negative mu x. So negative mu times x, you have negative mu x, and the negative mu times negative mu, you have positive mu squared. So the like terms which are on the middle here, you actually add them. So we're going to have negative 2 mu x. So multiplying through with this expectation, we have expectation of x squared, and here 2 and mu are a constant, so here we're going to have expectation of this variable x and plus mu squared. So this one, it is again a constant. So expectation of x squared minus 2 mu. So here expectation of x, we're going to have mu. So it is actually equal to mu plus mu squared. So here negative 2 mu times mu, we're going to have negative 2 mu squared plus mu squared. So these are like terms, so we can add them and subtract them. So negative 2 mu plus mu squared, we're going to obtain negative mu squared. So here we're going to have expectation of x squared minus mu squared. But mu is actually equal to expectation of x. So it means where this mu, we need to substitute with this expectation of x. So it will be expectation of x squared minus open bracket expectation of x close bracket square. So this one is actually equal to variance. So under the central moment, we can obtain the variance using this the property the property for the second moment about mean. So the second moment about mean gives us variance. So that's what it is. So in the next video, I'm actually going to talk about the third moment about mean and the fourth moment about mean. So the third moment about mean actually describes about skewness, whereas the fourth moment about mean describes about kurtosis. So I'm going to actually explain about that in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.